Sustainable nutrition by Health is for Life, 2 Food, Drink, Sleep. Welcome to Health is for Life, your one-stop destination for all things health and wellness. This video is part 2 in our series on the mega trend, sustainable nutrition, and in it we'll discover how food, drink, sleep are all a key part of regulating our mood, brain cognition, and mental well-being. So, sit back, relax, and join us on this journey to a healthier you. The relationship between food, mood, and sleep has gained prominence, especially among younger generations, who are becoming more aware of the connection between what they eat and their mental well-being. Products containing ingredients such as turmeric, ashwagandha, GABA, L-theanine, ginseng, B vitamins, and ginkgo are becoming increasingly popular, with consumers searching for foods that can improve their mood and cognitive function. Studies have shown that a balanced diet is crucial for overall health and sleep quality, with specific nutrients like calcium, magnesium, vitamin D, vitamins A and K, and omega-3 fatty acids playing a vital role in regulating sleep. A diet that is low in these nutrients has been linked to short sleep duration and a higher incidence of obesity among adults. Research has also shown that food can have a significant impact on our mood, and vice versa. For example, some foods, such as tart cherry juice and kiwis, have been shown to have a positive impact on sleep, with 2 kiwis consumed 1 hour before sleep shown to improve the sleep of both those with diagnosed sleep disorders and those with normal sleep patterns. The scientific community is still discovering new information in this area, and it is important to be mindful of the health claims associated with these products, and choose those backed by scientific evidence. Additionally, the time of day should be considered when choosing foods that provide benefits for mood and sleep. Foods that promote brain activity and cognition include blueberries, rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help improve cognitive function. Nuts, such as almonds and walnuts, contain healthy fats and vitamins E, which support brain health. Salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to improved memory and learning. As well as what we've already discussed, foods that are conducive to sleep include almonds, rich in magnesium, a mineral known to promote relaxation and sleep. Chamomile tea contains compounds that promote relaxation and have mild sedative effects. Bananas contain potassium and magnesium, which can help regulate sleep patterns and muscle relaxation. Warm milk is a popular drink to aid sleep, as it contains an amino acid called tryptophan that can help to promote feelings of relaxation and drowsiness. Thank you for tuning into Health is for Life. We hope you found today's episode informative and inspiring. Don't stop now, go and order those essential foods to aid your mental well-being, and get a good night's sleep. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy living tips, tricks, and trending topics. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.